It's 7 a.m. and I just finished my Pilates class. I had a quick shower and now I have to rush to the office. I never have the time to sit down to have a proper breakfast, but lately I started to use Noulou, a small little heating pot for porridge. At the press of a button, it heats up my porridge. And look how easy it is used. In the morning, I just grab my overnight oats from the fridge, pop them in, and whenever I'm ready, I press the button. And that's it. While I'm commuting, it heats up my porridge for me. No stove, no microwave, and definitely no waiting in line for overpriced coffee shop oats. And the best part, in the evening, I just put the cup straight into the dishwasher. By the time I'm on the metro, it's ready. Warm, creamy, and so satisfying. Honestly, it feels like a little act of self-care before I even open my laptop. So with Noulou, my mornings feel balanced. I have a warm and nourishing breakfast wherever I go.